Hey guys, this is Faye from Face World Media. If you're like me, who constantly uses AI to generate images, you know that there's a pain point, which is whenever there is text involved in these AI image generations, they come out fake or gibberish. Not only the case with English, but it's also very much the case with other languages. I also speak Mandarin Chinese. So in this example, I'm going to show you how I was able to translate the remote control of my mom's new bidet, which I purchased for her, into Mandarin Chinese perfectly. So let's get started. To get started, you're going to go to firefly.adobe.com, and that's going to be the first prompt that you see at the top. Remember to experiment with the brand new Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro. You're going to select this model right here. And today we're going to play with image, but knowing that video is another option. First, let me show you what the remote control looks like. I just took a photo on the carpet. And what I will do is drag this image right here into the reference image. I can also choose the aspect ratio. It's roughly landscape. You can also choose square. That part kind of doesn't really matter to me. Now I know the reference image is attached. All I have to do is enter my prompt. So I copy and paste it right here, translate text on this image into Mandarin Chinese, preserve the shape and context of the remote control. So don't change the color, don't change the shape into anything else. Just translate the text portion. All right, it's gonna use 40 credits. With that said, let's give it a shot. It literally preserved everything. So let me go ahead and actually open up this image and have them compared side by side. Look at this. It blew my mind because it literally preserved everything. And as somebody who does speak and understand Mandarin Chinese, I can tell you that it's really quite accurate. Now, from this newly translated image, what I can do is click on download. Now I have an image right here that is of high resolution. I can literally just print it out and give it to mom. You could also argue that you can probably print this out on a sticker paper and just literally cut out the circles or cut out the text and put it on the existing remote control. So I don't think I'm going to get carried away that far. If you want to edit this image further, you can click on Edit Image, and from here, you can make further tweaks. Just to have some fun, I said, can you please put the remote control on a completely white background so I can print it out for my mom? Look at that, super clean. Also, this white remote control is not blended into the background. I really like that. Now I can send it right to my printer. Look at that, so much better than this carpet. Let me go ahead and print it out. Another option, if it's necessary, obviously, in my case, is pretty straightforward. Knowing that you can open up this design inside Adobe Photoshop online, it's also pretty amazing. Here, you can even upscale the image and do whatever you need to do. So I want to show you this super practical example of the brand new version of Adobe Firefly integrated with Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro. So let me know in the comments below, what are some of the practical examples that you have used or you're going to experiment. I'm really excited that we're finally reached this place. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in the next video.